ZENA stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is ZenaTech stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief, short 1-minute video. This specifically, it's sort of crashing, right? 7% down. My most recent prediction that I had to call out was I was just looking it up on 3 separate occasions to the upside, and that delivered. And then I had this third one of fourth one, which went to crap, and that was a +0R, which pretty much means a break even. Now that being said, we even reached a new top there, which I'm gonna just count it as that. Honestly, I know looked pretty decent and whatnot, but without me seeing a solid break above $4.90, there's just no way that I would look to take things further up. Like, genuinely speaking, you know, that's how Zena would look like for me. That's that. Here's the top. Here's my confirmation. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules to be met, but like randomly buying may just not going to be happening. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, then just click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.